What you doing, babies? They just found all their toys, came down the ramp, except for Yellow. I had to put Yellow down there. But everybody else came down the ramp. They're not happy because Mom's standing right here with me outside the gate. And they want the mama, don't ya? You want the mama. And in you go. You go on in with the babies. Oh, that's a girl. Lie down with them. They're mad because you've been romping around the yard all morning and haven't been in here. They know you're there. They just... Can you lie down there? Too many toys. Oh, look, they're going to try nursing standing up. Hey, there's all the babies. They're all there. Can you lie down? Try lie down. You going to show them how to go up the gate? Hey. Trudy, it's not fair to teach the babies how to kill toys. Don't do it. Hi, Pink. Hi, little Pink. Hi, girlie. Are you going to try to climb out of there? Lie down, Toodles. Toodles. Down. Lie down quick. Do you need help? This is confusing for you, isn't it? This is new, eh? In you go. Ah, girl. Can you lie down, please? They're mad. Better lie down, Toots. Toot. You're too busy with the toys. Hey? Go up in the top. Go up in the box. See if they'll follow you. That's a girl. Lie down. What a good girl. You figured it out. For a minute there, I wondered if you were trying to imitate Wendy doing scent articles. Turn around, Lolo. She's right behind you. She's there. There you go. That a girl. There's Trudy with all the babies. It only took us a minute or so to figure it out. Eh, happy bunch. There you go. Wonder if they can navigate their way between all the toys. Good kids. Let them nurse, Toodles. Here we go. Good girl.